potentially get some methane reductions across the economy. So it sounds like a win-win-win as far as environmental, meeting the market, and actually getting some economic returns. So tell me what's holding back investors in this scenario.
Thank you for the question. I'd say there's probably two big challenges, which I sort of highlighted in my initial statement. One is the adoption by industry. And so when you look at the Canadian oil sands industry over the past decade have been not as forthcoming when it comes to innovation and deploying new technology. And a part of that is they've gone into an environment where the regulation has evolved. And so they've been thinking about where to spend those investment dollars. So I'd say there's an industrial side to things. And then on the incentives, I believe there's, again, been some changes in regulation, including the carbon tax regime, which has now evolved over the last couple of weeks as we've had a new announcement with Alberta that's now provided a little bit more direction in terms of where things are going. And so I think the stability of the investment environment is first and foremost going to be important for the oil sands to be able to implement these technologies.
Thank you. You mentioned getting some potential money here because of the announcement of the Canada Strong Fund. Is it your opinion that this Canada Strong Fund will give you below market capital?
I would say that we don't have a strong opinion yet. The fund has just been announced. We have looked at some of the other funding agencies that are already out there, like Strategic Innovation Fund, the Canada Growth Fund. I'd say the challenge that we faced when speaking to these government financing agencies have generally been that we need a fully financeable project right at the finish line before we'll get involved.
The end result there is, unless it is something that provides a bit of a subsidy in the financing mechanism there that isn't being met by the market right now, then that's where it's going to land for you. But those funds that are actually looking for market returns already exist, correct?
I believe so.
Thank you. I'll move my questions now to Mr. Cabrera. Mr. Cabrera, you talk about